How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. So listen, we're going to break down this company, this stock today. You guys see it right here. The company's called BTCS Inc. and they trade on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol, you guessed it, BTCS. We're going to break down the charts, what this company does, why I'm watching them, and overall why you should add BTCS onto your watch list. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, guys, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, if you want to help out the channel and you want 30 free stocks, check out the link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive into it. So like I said, the company's called BTCS and they trade on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol BTCS. And this stock looks like it could be on the verge of breaking out. We can see here we have a clear wedge formed on the 4-hour time frame. And this stock just about 3 months ago, back in November, it went ballistic over the course of a couple of days. We went from $1.30 on this stock all the way to over $6 in a couple of days, this goes to show how explosive this stock could get, right? And since that point, we've sold off, right, down to about, $2.90? So we are down a good chunk, but we're maintaining an uptrend. You guys see here, we're holding higher lows, but at the same time, making these lower highs, which puts us in this wedge, right? You guys see the wedge that we're in right now, and we're starting to creep up. You guys can see we're starting to break over both moving averages on this 4-hour chart. And in my opinion, guys, if this starts pushing past $3, $3.15, up to $3.50, we could really start breaking out. Not only at that point would we be at a multi-week high, but at that point, we'd be taking out this wedge. We'd be completely breaking out. And like we saw a couple of months ago, right, back in November, this thing can get hot fast. This stock can move, guys. We went from $1.30 pretty much, $1.50, all the way to $6, over $6 in just a couple of days. Yeah, this stock could really move. So you got to watch it. You got to watch it. I'm going to set my alert at $3, and let's put it at $3.25 for now. I'll keep one alert there. Maybe I'll do another one at $3.50. Let me do this right now. Mark is at or above $3.50. And let me come over here now to this, their actual website, so we can see a bit more of what this company is all about, what this company is doing, right? So you guys can see right here, BTCS is building industry-leading blockchain solutions, right? And a little bit of background here on this company. BTCS was a pioneer in this space, being the first public company to mine Bitcoin in 2014 and offer a digital asset treasury in 2017, right? And this company actually faced significant challenges due to the volatility in the crypto market, particularly with a 72% drop in Bitcoin's price back in 2015. And that's what led to the strategic shift here, which I want to talk about right now. The company now has moved from Bitcoin mining to focusing on Ethereum infrastructure, specifically block building and validation, starting in early 2024. So this is relatively new for the company, this strategic shift, and this shift is seen as offering a better growth opportunity compared to traditional Bitcoin mining due to lower capital requirements and higher revenue potential, right? And overall, guys, we can see they have 9,000 Ethereum as of right now. That's their holding as of December 31st, 2024. And in terms of validator nodes, they have 522 nodes. And currently the price of Ethereum, when I'm making this video, it is at $2,750, dollars per token, right? Or per coin, whatever you want to call it. Excuse me, guys. Oh my gosh, I just had a lunch before this. But yeah, so they've seen a strategic shift from Bitcoin mining now to Ethereum infrastructure, and BTCS aims to be the leading Ethereum blockchain infrastructure company, currently being the only pure play publicly traded company with this focus, which is why I'm watching them, BTCS, on the NASDAQ, and why you should watch them as well. But of course, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, yada, yada, yada. You guys know the whole spiel. And the CEO of BTCS believes this new direction provides direct exposure to Ethereum, similar to MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy, but with growth potential akin to early Bitcoin mining enterprises, right? And if you guys want to learn a little bit more about the company, you know, their core focus, you can go on their investor relations page. But we can see right here their core operations center around Ethereum node infrastructure, like we said, providing secure and efficient blockchain solutions. And this infrastructure is designed to capitalize on Ethereum scalability and reliability, reinforcing their position as a foundational player in the blockchain space. And they have Builder Plus. Builder Plus is BTCS's advanced Ethereum block builder, engineered to optimize block construction and maximize gas fee revenue through high-value block construction. And other initiatives include validating next-generation blockchain networks and ChainQ, which ChainQ is BTCS's AI-powered blockchain analytics platform, simplifying data access across supported blockchain networks through cutting-edge AI search technology. And ChainQ allows for users to perform detailed blockchain data analysis with ease, making blockchain insights accessible and actionable, guys. Very, very big there. And in terms of some news we got here, you guys can see BTCS utilizes Rocket Pool to drive revenue growth and enhance margins. If we come down here a little bit, over the past 5 months, BTCS has conducted an extensive due diligence process on Rocket Pool, a decentralized Ethereum-based liquid staking protocol, and this evaluation included a thorough assessment of auditability, compliance, cybersecurity, infrastructure integrity, and potential business risks and rewards to ensure a secure and scalable validator implementation, right? And as part of this comprehensive review, BTCS completed a pilot program and has now expanded to 320 validators participating in Rocket Pool's liquid staking pool, marking a significant step in expanding the company's validator node operations. This is very big, guys, and according to internal analysis, BTCS projects vertically integrated validator revenue increases of up to 10%, boosting its position in the sector. That's very big news there, guys. And in terms of their revenue, the company plans to exceed the $20 million revenue cutoff in 2025, aiming for sustainable growth and shareholder value. And you guys can see here, unaudited revenue for 2024 surpassed $3.7 million, marking an 177% increase from 2024, right? And that's big here, guys, with the ambitious revenue target set for $4 million. The executive, or the 2025 executive compensation, will be performance-based, right? So that's big. $4 million is the threshold. $8 million is the target for 2025, and $20 million is the cutoff, like I said, about a minute ago, right? So a lot of potential for this company. They're doing something that not many others are doing in terms of focusing on Ethereum infrastructure here, kind of shifting away from Bitcoin mining now to Ethereum infrastructure. Again, they have over 9,000 Ethereum right now at a price of $2,700 roughly. You guys do the math there. So, yeah, this stock, this company is a must watch. Again, ticker symbol BTCS on the NASDAQ. I mean, guys, look at this chart. This looks like any day now it could be on the verge of breaking out. I mean, my alerts are set 325, 350. We'll see what we do there. If we're able to break out, boom, we could be going a lot higher in the short term. And this is not just a short-term play for me. I'm watching it for a trade, but I'm also looking at it as a longer-term play, kind of as this, this space matures, kind of as time progresses in the crypto space. I think BTCS could be a winner. So, guys, make sure to add them to your watch list. Again, ticker symbol BTCS on the NASDAQ. And full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This video was made for entertainment purposes only, and I currently own 0 shares of BTCS as of this video, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subs here on YouTube. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.